What's going on, YouTube? Mr. Wheels here once again, welcoming you to another one of my food reviews. And the product today, Dairy Queen's Peanut Butter Rolo Blizzard. Hope you can see the peanut butter Rolo chunks in there. They look good. I had to take the spoon out. I've got it right here. It was stuck in the Blizzard itself because the Blizzard was in my freezer because it was melting all over the place when I got it. Before I get into this, I'd ask you to please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, please follow me on Twitter at Sledgehead86, and like my Facebook page, Mr. Wheels86. Alright, let's take a bite of this. Let me get a little bit of everything. Well, you can see it's still nice and solid. There I've got some Rolo in there. Got a bit of everything. Here we go. Wow. I'm not a big peanut butter fan, but this is amazing. I mean, the peanut butter is just like, bam, in your face. The Rolos taste awesome. This is great. You got to try this. This is, even if you're not a peanut butter fan, but you like it every once in a while, this is awesome. I'm going to take one more big bite. Here we go. Again, there's some Rolo in there. Look at that. Look at how much Rolo is in there. It's really awesome. The ice cream is great itself. And then you get and then you bite into all the Rolo. And I mean, regular Rolos are good, and I didn't think the peanut butter ones would be very good because, like I said, I'm not a big peanut butter fan. But this is awesome. This is like 5 out of 5. Has my recommendation behind it. You got to try this. This is just a small. I wouldn't recommend trying anything bigger than this because with most Blizzards from Dairy Queen, you know, if you eat a large, it's too much. It's not as decadent as I thought it was going to be, but I don't have any serious complaints. So I give this a 100% total recommendation. You know, it's a complete thumbs up for me. Go out and try it. The Dairy Queen Peanut Butter Rolo Blizzard, available now. It's new at Dairy Queen. Go try it. I'm Mr. Wheels. As always, I'd ask you again to please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Twitter at Sledgehead86. And like my Facebook page, Mr. Wheels86. I'll see you next time.